Hi, this is Anna, co-founder of Rahua, excited today to kick off the holiday season and show you our first ever Rahua Advent Calendar. A little sneak peek for you today. So here it is, highly anticipated debut, first ever. This beautiful box is made so that you can hold on to it, reuse it, hold your treasures, hold your favorite keepsakes, created to take you to a green utopia, to experience the Amazon rainforest and to take you on a journey so that you will experience all of the goodness of Rahua products for your hair. And I'm excited to show you a little more and a little sneak peek of what's included in the box this time. We are featuring a lot of our newness from this year. You'll see our new Enchanted Island shampoo and conditioner. We have travel sizes in the box this time. And we also have our new scalp and skin toner that is this beautiful refreshment for the skin and for the scalp. And it's a great pick-me-up as it balances the scalp's microbiome. We're also showing off our new award-winning aloe vera hair gel. That's this beautiful health-infused styling product to keep your hair healthy as well as style at the same time. So this is very fresh. Also, we're including 3 full-size products this time, which one of those items is our lovely Palo Santo perfume. It's great for meditation, it's great during yoga practice, and it's this beautiful, really centering wellness perfume, and I know that you will love it. We also have our smoothing balm, which is this great thing to carry with you, especially during the holidays for touch-ups. Keep it in your purse, and it's a smoother, beautiful, healthy, shiny hair, and it just keeps everything in place. So the smoothing balm is a really great one to keep with you. And also we have one of our favorites, our Voluminous Dry Shampoo, this non-aerosol product, all plant-based and super healthy, easy to use, really fun to use, and keeps the hair lifted and volumized and helps you stretch between shampoos. And then we do have something very special on day 12, the last day of the Advent. You'll get to experience our Rahua Elixir. This is the coveted Rahua oil, and we now have it in a mini size so that you can enjoy each drop as it really is intended to use. Each drop is very powerful, and this is the oil as the ladies make it in the forest, and it's very powerful. So 1 or 2 drops is really all you need application, and you can warm it up on your hand and your fingertips, and you're gonna press it, you smooth it, and it gives the hair health and shine. And you do this treatment every day, and the hair is very thankful. So really excited that you'll get to experience this beautiful, the Rahua Elixir special in our Advent calendar this year. So again, this is Rahua Advent, and it's available now at rahua.com, and excited for you to experience and share with your friends, and wishing you all a super wonderful holiday season and lots of happiness and beauty. Beauty is power. Thank you.